One.
Okay, which one am I shooting on? The small?
Green one. The small green one.
This is the zombie
Zombie
side strike.
Yeah. And this, I'm wearing a Nerf vest.
Nerf vest on the
and
sun.
See how strong it is.
And what does this white button do?
Probably shuts it off.
Huh, no, it doesn't do anything. I'm sure it does, but I can't tell. Okay, so I'm going to shoot him and see what happens.
All me here.
Alright, let me see if I can aim here.
There's no more. So,
now which one?
This one.
This guy.
And that's already loaded.
What's it called?
It's usually on the side.
Well, it just kind of says Nerf. Does this one have the light on it?
Oh, that's a night finder.
Night finder. Does it have a light on it?
Yeah. Okay.
This one?
Yellow one, yep. And then you have to load it a few times because there's.
This is an N Strike.
N Strike Elite.
Elite.
And that's it has another name. That's just the kind of thing that's in like the Nerf thing. Because you know there's Zombie Strike and just go shoot me. Whoa, wait! Before I shoot. Let me see. Okay, there. Oh God. Not my face. Okay, reload. No, you have to reload. Some of them might not because not all 6 or 5 are in there. So sticky.
Did it hurt?
No, you can feel it, but this is where you have to shoot right between here.
It was a misfire.
Yeah, it was a dud or something.
That was one too. Why does it do that so much?
Because there's not all the bullets in there. Here.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that hurt kind of. Right, see if there's one.
Okay, and now for the big daddy.
Oh gosh, this is gonna hurt. So
Vigilon. Like a vigilante.
What's that?
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Is it ready to go?
Yeah, it's loaded. Oh man, that scared me. It didn't hurt, but it made me just like.
These shoot hard.
Not my face.
Did it
It
hurt?
makes my stomach go like this, but it kind of hurts a little bit. It doesn't hurt, but it scares my stomach, so it makes it go like this.
What? Where did that go?
It went back there behind the fish tank.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Did that hit your bracelet? Oh.
Wait. You know how to load it?
Isn't this cool?
Let me teach you how to work.
I saw. See? You push this thing down.
Yeah. Just then put them in. But if it's too tight, don't do it. Like, don't jam it up.
Yes, sir.
Now I get to shoot you.
No, you don't.
But you get to put the vest on.
No way, Jose.
No, I have good aim.
No, you already shoot me too much.
No, I'll shoot at the vest.
No way, Jose.
I'll be able to see where the...
Babe, I will not allow you to shoot me.